Hello, welcome to Future Chieftain Night. This is on display if you unfortunately couldn't make it or you want to review any of the things that were presented during the Google Apps for Education Night. My name is Jonathan Rollins. I'm a grade 7 science teacher here at Pontiac Middle School. I've been with the district for over 10 years. Technology coordinator for the last two. That entitles, looking at things like Google Apps, helping teachers implement technology, and personalizing learning for all students. I've been using the Google Apps for Education for 4+ years. We were one of the pilot grade level teams about 3 years ago, and it's always changing. Even people who are experts in the field will tell you, nobody's an expert. So we're always learning, changing, and adapting to meet the needs of our teachers and students. If you have any questions, you can reach me at jrollins@ftschools.com. And if you want to follow what's going on in the school, at jrollins_ on Twitter. Now, as you go into Google Apps, what you're going to look for is you open a tab within Chrome. This is what your son or daughter will be looking at. And you open a new window, and you see this. I've seen this called a number of things: box, cube, waffle iron. Open this up. This will take you to the Google Apps. And the one we're concerned with here is the Google Drive. This is where your student will be creating documents, everything from a Google Doc, so think word processor, to a sheet, which is comparable to Microsoft Excel. Slides, which is comparable to a PowerPoint, will also be created here. We create here, and if you've already observed the Canvas session, we upload this created work within our LMS Canvas. So this is where your student will be creating their work. Click on Drive. And think of this as a virtual binder. So you had your old school binder back in the day with your dividers and everything else. This is the binder that students will be accessing. And we want to make sure that students and parents in particular are aware of what to be looking for and how to organize their work. And this comes as a result of, again, numbers of years of experience. We've met with 5th grade teachers for the incoming students, what skills do they have? And the 6th grade teachers here at Pontiac Middle School, what skills do our students need to succeed at Pontiac Middle School? So number one, what you see here is this is your Drive. So this is mine. So as you can see, I have a number of different folders. I tend to organize per year. So I would say that would be something that I would do. I tell students, and this is a strategy we want to do, organize a grade 6 folder, a grade 7 folder, and a grade 8 folder. Okay, so you'll go in here, I got my 2017, 2018 folder. Okay, and I've made one already as a grade 6. When you want to make a folder, you just click New, and it'll ask you, okay, what do you want to make? In this case, I wanted to make a folder. I make it here. Now say, okay, I want to make one for science. So new folder, called Science. Now this will be teacher discretion as far as if they want you to color it a certain way, because you can color the folders as well. Do a right click, 2 fingers on the touchpad, and you can change the color. I don't know, make it cardinal. Great. And that is how you can create folders. We want all students to create their work within the folder. So say I have an assignment coming up, and one of the biggest concerns we found looking at students' Google Drives and talking to parents is untitled documents. This creates a mess, obviously, for the student and for the teacher. We're trying to find our work. Hey, where's your lab report? I don't know, it's untitled. So we go and make everything within Drive. So stay within Drive. I'm making a new one. I'm making one in science. So I want to make a new what? I want to make a new Google Doc. Again, this will be a word processor style thing. It's going to be a blank document. So first thing you do, before you even get to working on it, before you even get to typing on it, think old school style, I would put my name on it. Now this can be teacher discretion. So some teachers might want a different naming strategy. Biggest thing we want to go away from is having these untitled documents. So in this case, I'll put my name first, and we'll call this Lab Report 1. And then that is all set. That will automatically save. That's the beauty of Google Drive and the Google Cloud. Automatically saves. Your student can access the work on any mobile device as long as they set up the account. That's the beauty of it. If you don't have Wi-Fi at home, you can work on it at home. And once you sync up with the servers at school, it automatically saves. That's the beauty of it. So you go back within your drive, you can even see the folder is, within the folder, the file is now there. I hope this has helped you out understanding Google Apps. I look forward to possibly communicating if needed, and good luck this school year at Pontiac Middle School.